Hi, I'm Tara Jordan, your Member Relations Manager and leading the social media initiative for HAR. Today, we're going to get LinkedIn. Real estate professionals are using social media outlets like Facebook and Twitter to communicate and network socially with consumers and their spheres of influence. Many have ignored LinkedIn or have not reconnected with or polished their LinkedIn profiles and are not taking full advantage of the potential that LinkedIn may afford them. When surveyed last fall, Houston Association of Realtor members claimed LinkedIn as their #1 most used social media outlet. How about you? The belief that the business focus of LinkedIn will not get them on hot home buying and selling prospects just isn't accurate. Research shows that consumers and professionals are looking you up. Beyond those considerations, however, there's a level of professionalism of networking with others in positions related to real estate. These professionals can be direct referral sources. LinkedIn allows you to present yourself to these related professionals as well as the opportunity to answer their questions in your areas of expertise. This builds credibility and respect, and it will lead to future business. One of the most powerful attributes of LinkedIn is the recommendations feature shown here. Endorsements from colleagues or past clients are very powerful. Consider incorporating your LinkedIn profile into your listing presentations, putting a link in your email signature, having a badge on your website, or even sending your LinkedIn profile as part of your leads and marketing campaign. LinkedIn is also free. What does your profile look like? See you next time, where we'll talk about you on YouTube.